homes are getting smarter every day. We have smart TVs, smart locks, smart thermostats, and even smart fridges. As everything gets smarter, we start to realize the things that still aren't. Introducing the iseeBell. iseeBell is a direct replacement of your current doorbell with some extra features.
Hello?
Hello, package for St. Louis.
Oh, awesome. Could you leave that at the front door, please?
All right.
Great, thanks a lot.
It has a HD camera with a 185-degree field of view and built-in speaker, enabling two-way communication. iseeBell is not just limited to your front door. It is weatherproof, so you can use it all around your house as security cameras, wherever you want to see, including indoors. iseeBell also has infrared and lets you also see at night, even when your lights are off. iseeBell installation is simple. Remove the old doorbell, attach iseeBell, then secure it with the included security bolt. iseeBell can run off existing power that your doorbell currently uses and doesn't require changing of batteries or running new wires. When iseeBell senses motion or someone rings iseeBell, you will receive notifications on your smart device. Then use your smart device to live view, take a snapshot, and even record directly to your smart device.
Yeah, hi, I'd like to report some suspicious activity at my house.
iseeBell also gives you the ability to tie in with electronic and magnetic locks.
Hello?
Oh, hello, we're here at the house.
Okay, great, let me give you access.
Giving you the ability to even let your guest in remotely.
Got it.
Great, thanks.
iseeBell is a great add-on to rental homes, offices, pool areas, almost anywhere you would like to have extra security and remote access. So add convenience and security to your smart home and order a iseeBell today.
Isn't it weird that we still use these fiddly old keys to secure our homes? We at Bold are all about making your life easier and safer. We are proud to introduce our first product, the Bold Smart Lock. To begin with, the lock is keyless. Your phone is the key, but you can leave it in your pocket. The lock senses you are approaching the door and activates itself. You can simply walk in. Locking up, just as easy. With the Bold app, you can invite anybody and decide exactly when they have access. Close friends and family, permanent access. Housekeeper, every Thursday morning. Airbnb guests, this weekend. Everybody else, no access. Talking about security, did you know that the weakest part of the door is actually the cylinder lock? We redesigned it from scratch and invented a new construction, making it super secure. On digital security, we work with a specialized company to ensure the highest level of security in the industry. The Bold Smart Lock installs just like a regular cylinder lock. Unscrew the retaining bolt, slide out the old cylinder, slide the smart lock in, and place the outside knob on there. Now accept the lock in the app, and you're done. The lock has elegant minimalistic design because we believe it just has to look good on every door. You could put a knob of your own choice on the outside, or even get rid of the handle. Do you need a smartphone? Not necessarily. We've included a remote as a backup, or for your kids. Electronic locks have been around in professional spaces like airports and hospitals for decades, but they use a badge system. We bring the same technology to your house or office, but without the hassle of badges. Entering and locking your home has never been so simple and secure as with the Bold Smart Lock.
Introducing the View Doorbell, the world's smartest video doorbell. The idea is simple. Whenever motion is detected on your doorstep, our invention will notify your phone and give you a live video feed or image of your visitor through the wide-angle 180-degree HD lens.
Oh, hey, man.
How's it going?
Come on in. The party's just getting started in the backyard.
Oh, cool. Sounds good.
See you here.
You can see who's at your door from anywhere. It's not just about convenience, but also protecting your home and family.
Hey, what do you guys think you're doing?
And you have a recorded video or snapshot to give to the police. You can also chat with people at your door while you're away from home.
Hello?
Hi, I've got a package for Debbie.
I'm not home right now. Could you leave it on the porch?
All right, sounds good. Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too.
The View Doorbell is so easy to use. It has a frustration-free setup. It's so user-friendly that everyone can use it, even kids and grandparents.
Hey son, we'll be right there.
Hey, Uncle Mike.
Hey, bud, how you doing?
It can be installed in less than 5 minutes and connects directly to your home Wi-Fi, making it possible to receive the live video feed through the Equus app from wherever you are. Unlike home security systems, the View Doorbell has no monthly fee and operates with a rechargeable battery. Whether you like entertaining, want more safety for your family, are away from home, or just want to see who's on your doorstep, the View Doorbell is a life-changing solution. With your support, together we can make our product come alive. We can put the View Doorbell into full-scale production and deliver it to your door soon. The View Doorbell, the world's smartest video doorbell, at your fingertips.
Daily convenience and optimal security. The Curio Smart Lock was designed with this in mind. Installing the Curio Smart Lock is fast and super easy. Just attach the device onto your door and over your door lock with the adhesive pad. The included bolt turner ensures the Curio Smart Lock works on most doors, even if the device doesn't fit perfectly onto your lock. Users in Japan are raving about the Smart Lock's simple installation. And today, the Curio Smart Lock is the most successful smart lock in Japan. The makers of the Curio Smart Lock are hard at work, designing new adapters to fit most door types in the West. The main unit features a durable mechanical design and uses proven robotics technology developed by Sony. Curio uses advanced encryption technology and multi-factor authentication to ensure the highest possible level of security. Plus, Curio Smart Lock creates a log of every time your door lock is opened or closed, even by hand. With the Curio Hub, users are alerted whenever the Curio Smart Lock is manipulated. No matter where you are, you'll always know your door is safe and secure. You can even share temporary digital keys and scheduled keys, and you can disable a shared key at any time. Operate your smart lock with smartwatches, an Android phone widget, and set an auto unlock when you approach your door. Convenient, reliable, and simple to install. Want the Curio Smart Lock in your home? We're waiting for your order.
I will explain how to set up Bell. Bypass Kit installation. The provided bypass kit allows for Bell to have enough power to operate. Meanwhile, it makes Bell compatible with your existing indoor chime. Please refer to Bell's quick guide for how to install bypass kit and physical installation. Install the backplate on the wall by mounting screws. Attach the wires to the power port and secure them in position. After you test the live streaming is working properly, tighten the security screws. Features. NetView X, world's first AI doorbell. It can handle your package deliveries, scheduled visits, and unexpected visitors. Motion Zone. You can customize the motion detection zone and let the camera focus on the area you desire. Tap the area into blue to activate motion detection. User sharing. Sharing the camera's access with other people without sharing your password. Cloud service. Ring cloud recording. When someone presses the ring button, ViewBell starts to record video and uploads it to the cloud. You can play it back through NetView app at any time. 24/7 cloud recording. ViewBell will record 24 hours a day, and the cloud allows up to 7 days of video.